Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add funds to your wallet on your PlayStation 5. So if you're having an issue with the PlayStation Store, or maybe you just want to put like $70 on there so you can just purchase a game, we can go up to settings right here and select this, and then scrolling down to users and accounts. Then we want to go to where it says account, and then go right and go to payment and subscriptions. Then under here there's a section to add funds to your wallet. So go ahead and choose this. Now, when we bring this open, we're going to have all our different credit cards on here. Go ahead and choose your credit card. So I'm going to choose this credit card, the one that's default. And then it's going to give me an option to add money to my account. So we have $5, $10, $25, $50, all the way up to $60. So we might have to do this multiple times. So let's add $5 to my account and then go to continue. And it says, do you want to add $5 to your wallet? Let's select yes. Then it's going to be added. So it says it's been added now, and now it contains $5. So we can check our wallet at any point in time. If we go back to the home screen, we can go over to the PlayStation Store, then go up, and then we can go on over to this section right here where it says more. And it will say under your name, the wallet balance. Mine says $5 now since I just added $5 to it. Now, at any point in time, you can go to transaction history and check to see all your purchases. You can go to subscriptions, where you can redeem a code, or you can go to payment methods. I believe you can add funds to your wallet under here as well. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below. More technical videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.